Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to count set bits in an integer. So firstly let us know what are set bits. Set bits in a number are the bits in its binary representation that are 1. So let's start this with the program. In the first line, this defines a function named countSetBits that takes one parameter n. The purpose of n is the integer whose set bits means 1 in its binary representation we want to count. Now in the next line, this initializes a variable count to 0. This will be used to keep track of the number of set bits in the binary representation of n. Now, in the next line, here starts a while loop that will continue as long as n is greater than 0. It iteratively processes each bit of n until all bits are checked. Now in the next line, here n and 1 performs a bitwise AND operation between n and 1. This checks if the least significant bit means the rightmost bit of n is 1. If the result is 1, it means the least significant bit of n is a set bit. The result is added to count. This increments the count by 1 whenever the least significant bit of n is a set bit. Now, in the next line, this performs a right shift operation on n. This shifts all bits in n one position to the right. For example, if n is 101 binary of 5, after the operation it becomes 10 binary of 2. The least significant bit is effectively removed after each iteration. This moves to the next bit for n for checking in the next iteration of the loop. Now in the next line, this returns the total count of set bits found in n. This provides the result back to the caller of the function. Now in the next line, this prompts the user to input an integer. The input string is converted to an integer using int function. Here the integer is stored in the variable num. It takes input from the user to be processed by the countSetBit functions. Now in the last line, calls the countSetBit function with num as the argument. This formats the result into a string using an f string. And the purpose of this line is that it displays the number of set bits in the integer provided by the user. So let's check this program. I am entering an integer as 12. Hence, the number of set bits in 12 is 2. So, thanks for watching this video.